How you going, Postie fans? We're back. There's been a development. Christy's little bike, Daisy, was stolen. Yep, stolen. But we've managed to get her back after about 4 weeks. And this is what she looks like now. Poor thing. Painted black, dumped in a creek, been in the water in the headlight. Been in the wars, but she looks pretty straight and not too much damage. Still got me racks on there. Bars look alright, but so I've reconnected the ignition, checked the oil, and drained the fuel in the fuel bowl. I'm about to give it a kick in the guts and just see what happens. So the oil looks alright. I won't let it run for too long if it starts, but let's have a crack. Choke, I suppose. Bit of start, you bastard. Oh. Come on, old girl.